Mr. Krabs, did you turn on the thermostat?
Yes, my mama said I'm 62 degrees. Why?
It's on 71, Mr. Krabs.
What, Mr. Krabs?
Did you touch my thermostat?
No, Mr. Krabs. If I wanted to do that, I would have told you already.
Hey, Mr. Krabs, here's the security camera.
Thank you.